You wait for that. Hey y'all, it's your girl Chanel, and I'm back with the Tales, honey. So in front of me, I got some weird snacks, weird candy, different drinks I haven't tried. It's gonna be good. Exotic, that's what they call exotic candy snacks. So the first thing first, I'm finna try. Hold on, wait. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, because I'm forget to say it. Alright, so the first thing is Kit Kat popcorn, okay? I just learned that I should not order chocolate, because it's like too hot. Anyway, Kit Kat popcorn, I never tried it. Sound nasty. Ooh, let's try it. Let's see. What? Oh. This actually tastes like that. Hold on. Okay, at first I thought it was that chocolate crunch bar. Then it tastes like caramel popcorn. That's cool, huh? That's good. I want to buy it again though, but it's good. Alright, next is Nutter Butter Cookies. I think I tried these before. But these, the one is circular. The ones, the regular will be peanut shaped. Hold on, let me open these. Wow! Oh, regular. Oh. I taste more peanut butter in these ones, huh? That's good. That's some good stuff. Regular. Alright. Let me get some drink. What? Where'd it go? Alright, I'm gonna get some. Alright, so the next thing is some mango chili rip roll cake. Mango chili rips. That's what this is right here. Hold on. Oh, it's in like a little circle thing. Mango rip. I didn't really like that before taste. Man, it's all the messy candies with the Lucas and I said. Oh, it's that. That's good. Huh?
What's up, Chanel?
What's up?
She good?
Tucker.
Huh?
This mango right here, it's Mac. mango chili.
Mango chili.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's smackaroos right there. All right. What's next? I'm gonna put this back up in here. Gotta smack on that later. Yes, sir. All right. Next is, oh, this that peanut Reese's potato chip. That's weird. I really like sweet and sour, sweet and salty. Hold on. Let me go in there. It's like a Reese's cup. It's like in a little I can't get it out. Oh, there you go. Reese's chip. Reese's potato chip is all outside. Never ordering chocolate again. Never. Ever. Okay. I can't really take potato. It's like a Reese's cup with some crunch in it. Where crunch at? I mean, That's regular. I thought it would be a tasty chip. Can't taste it. Next is some Reese's pretzels. Now I tried chocolate covered pretzels. I ain't never tried no Reese's pretzels. Hold on. If I can get this mother. I got it open. Alright, you know what? Oops. Dang! I done trapped myself. Oh, let me go this way. Ooh, I like every part I see. This is so new. Everything is in a Reese's cup thing. I'm mad. I don't take no pretzel. I'm mad. What's good? So that a Reese's cup with crunch. They like that potato chip thing. All right, next. Now, these are wrap snacks right here. Little baby. Oh God, look, I think it was some kind of cheddar something. I forgot. It better make me rap like him. I ain't playing. Cheddar. Damn. Cheddar. What? Okay. Hold on. Why I tell her? vinegar. What? I don't take no cheese. They scammers, man. Nope. I'm gonna eat them though. That's no. They tell like vinegar, no cheese. What's next? I'm thirsty. Where the drinks at? Oh. Oh, they're right here. No.